Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Govee lights to Alexa. First, make sure your Govee lights are powered on and ready. Now take your phone and install the Govee Home app if you have not already done so. Once you are inside the app, tap the option to add a new device. Your Govee lights should appear through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Select your lights and complete the setup process. This usually takes just a few moments. After your lights are connected, give them a simple and clear name. For example, you can name them bedroom lights or living room lights. This step is important because Alexa will use this name when you give voice commands. Now switch to the Amazon Alexa app. Open it and go to the menu. Tap on Skills and Games. In the search bar, type Govee Home and select the official skill from the results. Tap Enable to use. You will be asked to log in with your Govee account. Enter the same login details you used earlier in the Govee app. This will link your accounts together. Once linked, Alexa will ask to discover devices. Allow it to search. After a few seconds, your Govee lights should appear in the list. Now you can control your lights using voice commands. Thanks for watching.